In the previous video we talked about what is business objects. Now in this video we will talk about what is Object Studio and how to create a simple object. So Object Studio is used to develop and configure the business objects. It captures the functionality of an application so that it can be used in the Process Studio. Let me show you how to create a simple object. So to create an object you have to go to this Studio tab and then come to this objects and then right click on this, and here we have option to click on create object. Now you can see here we have a folder as well. It means we can segregate our objects, we can put our objects into a folder as per the projects. If you are working on any projects, you can put all those objects into one folder. You can right click on this and you can create a group. It means that folder you can create here, and then you can move all these objects in that. You can also right click on this default and then click on create object. Here you need to enter that business object name. So I am going to put here object notepad, because I am going to start working with the notepad automation. So this is our object name. Click next and click finish. So you can see here we have created this notepad object, and the icon of this object is different from the process, right? Double click on this and you can see here this is the Object Studio. There are two types of business objects in Blue Prism. First, internal business objects, and second, external business objects. Internal business objects, or you can say like internal VBOs, visual business objects. Internal business objects are ready-made objects that are ready to use and configure in Object Studio, and external business objects are developed in Object Studio. Here you can see in this Object Studio we have left side same as Process Studio, we have also stages. Here on the top we have option to run, and here we have a workflow where we can design our objects, we can create our business objects. Here we will discuss about what is the difference between Process Studio and Object Studio in the next video.